Hi, I'm Ethan.
And I'm Zoe.
And we made ArtLedger. For this 2022 hackathon, we wanted to find a way to bring attention to lesser known artistic communities. The big name social media networks of today are dominated by the big players in the art community, and the smaller, lesser known artistic communities find it hard to break into the mainstream and get the attention that they deserve. In order to combat this, we made a Tinder-like web-based application that uses randomized search to give all artists, especially lesser known artists, equal opportunity to get represented. In order to achieve this, what we did is we used decentralized blockchain network to be the base for our web-based app. And this allowed for better privacy, better security, and faster financial transactions, which allows these lesser known artists to get financial support.
Right. So moving on to the demo. So what we have is
a web application
built in React.js, and the backend is built with Flask and
Firebase, which is Firebase is a wrapper for Firebase, and also the Deso backend, the blockchain. So at the front end, we also have Deso encryption. So everything is done using Deso. All of the API requests are sent to the server, which interacts with the Deso blockchain. So for example, if I'm here, I can either sign up. So this is our application called ArtLedger. I can either sign up as a normal user, a consumer, which is just there to view art, or I can sign up as an artist. But this assumes you already have a Deso account. So for example, I already have a Deso account associated to me. This is my account, and this is just a normal account. And also Ethan has also made another account, and that has all of its art, his art that he has posted before with people that have reacted on BitCloud. But the problem is that for BitCloud, it doesn't provide you that UI UX that you need for exploring random artists. So we made so BitCloud is just another front end for Deso. So we made ArtLedger, which provides you that interface to explore new art. And what you can basically do is, as long as you have a BitCloud account, you can sign up as an artist. But since Ethan has already signed up and posted all of his art there, I can just log in with my Deso account. And this is all done using the Deso API. And once I'm able to see the screen where I can see cards of art pieces with their names and the people that have posted it, all the artists, and with their IDs, their public key IDs encrypted. So we can either swipe left or right on this card to actually show our interest. If we swipe right, and actually show, if we want to skip it, we can swipe left. So if I do not like this piece of art, I can swipe left, and then I'm able to ignore it. So I move to the next art piece, and then if I really like it, I can swipe right. So I've liked that piece of art, and that's going to be saved. Everything that I like, all my preferences are going to be saved in my gallery. So for example, I also like this. I could also like this piece of art. And then once I like all of these art pieces, I could go into my gallery, which is shown over here from this icon. And it will also show me the amount of Deso coin that I have and all the art pieces that I've ever liked. So you can see that some of these art pieces, all of them belong to artists on this specific Deso network. And this is my current coin currency, which is the same as what we find on BitCloud. So I can use this to actually tip artists. So there's like other functionalities here in ArtLedger as well. So so liking is free, but what if you really like a person's art and you really want to tip them for their work? So what you can do is basically you can click on this button, and this allows you to specify any tip amount. And so based on how much coin you have, you can do a financial transaction to financially support them, the artist that you really like, for the piece that is currently open. And what you can do is, if you really like this specific artist and their work, you can go to their profile specifically, and this opens up. So you will see all the likes that this artist has across all their posts, all the diamonds that they've been tipped individually, the name of the artist, the username. We couldn't get all the usernames because Deso requires you to get an encrypted, a complete identification procedure to actually get a username, and to be able to post, you need a number associated. So this is one of the artists that we have, and that's it for ArtLedger. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.